Hello everyone, welcome back to Tips from the Expert. I am Luca Cianni from Norton Saint-Gobain. Today I show you why Norton Pneumatic Mini Angle Grinder Kit is the perfect choice for metal preparation process in car body repair, specific for small areas. The machine is robust, lightweight, with ergonomic handling and easy to adjust. New Norton Mini Angle Grinder Kit offers a pneumatic machine as a great tool from welding spot removal to surface blending. It contains an assortment of abrasive Speedlock Blaze mini discs in the most common grades and different diameters. In the kit you can also find Vortex Rapid Blend, Rapid Strip Blaze and Vertex High Strength discs. Please leave your comments below and we get back to you as soon as we can. If you like this video, follow us on our YouTube Norton channel. Thanks for watching and take care.